In this way, in the previous video I told you, it means I taught you till here, then I started down a third time. I sucked for air and got water. The Elvis light was going out. Actually, he is saved. He was saved by another person, but now he's recalling and remembering what happened where to him when he was getting down inside, getting down into the water of river, getting down the water of river, and all thing he wrote here. It means this one is his third time. This one is his third. Time, you can say, to try to get up from the water. And after what happened, but even this time he gets only failure. He gets only failure. And after then I am here, I read this paragraph. Then all efforts ceased when stop. I relaxed, even my legs felt limp, paralyzed, and a blackness swept over my brain. It wiped out fear, it wiped out terror. There was no more panic. It was quiet and peaceful. Nothing to be afraid of. In this way, in these lines, writer tells us that after taking his third time, he is totally tired. Now his body has no power. Now he has no power to again try come out from the water. And when he feels that his body has no power, his legs are paralyzed, and now he is going to unconscious. Now he is slowly going to unconscious. It means his brain is losing his control over his body, and it wiped out fear, it wiped out terror. It means when he is losing his fear, when his mind is losing his control, he feels that now he has no fear, now he has no terror, because he is unconscious. And when man becomes unconscious, he needs not to fear anything, whether that is terror or any other thing. And there was no more panic. It was quiet. It means now his body is becoming unconscious, and he feels only everything is peaceful. He feels that there is quiet everywhere around him, and actually there is no afraid. There is no afraid to him. And after that, this is nice to be drowsy. It means he is being unconscious and he sleeps. He wants to sleep inside the water, so he feels drowsiness to go to sleep. No need to jump, too tired to jump. It's nice to be carried gently, to float along in space. Tender arms around me, tender arms like mother's. Now I must go to sleep. Actually, he describes about his miserable condition, a pathetic condition. Yeah, you can say this one is his last step. This one is last step. After this, he is totally unconscious, and he says that everything is very drowsy. His mind is very drowsy. He wants to sleep, and he feels that there is his mother's arm around him, and he feels that tenderness of his mother's arms, and so he wants to sleep due to unconsciousness. And after that, in this way, this paragraph over. In this paragraph, we find writer describes his last condition, his last situation in which he has gone. I cast to oblivion, and the curtain of life fell. It means oblivion, unconscious. It means he is near about totally unconscious, and he feels that now the curtain of life will get down or will get down. In this way, the next I remember I was lying on my stomach. It means now he is totally unconscious during that time. Since this time another person saved him, and when he saved him, he he is outside at the bank of the river, lying on his stomach, let me read this paragraph first. The next I remember, today I want to complete this chapter. The next I remember, so my video will be very long. The next I remembered, I was lying on my stomach beside my past the pool, omit the chap, lad, boy. All these meanings are same. All these meanings are same. That threw me in was saying, but I was only fooling. Someone said the kid nearly died. Be all right now. Let's carry him to the locker room. In this way, after this paragraph, we find this one is the paragraph. In this paragraph, the writer says that now he is saved, and he is lying. He is lying. You can say beside the bank of the river, yeah, beside the bank of the pool, and he is omitting due to excess water inside in his stomach. He is omitting, and someone is asking, someone is saying to the child, someone is saying to the boy who threw me inside into the pool water. Someone is chiding him that do you know, he actually, this boy is near about to die. If we can't save him, he will die. And after that, boy again, chap again responds him that actually I threw him only just for joking, only just for kidding. I was not serious. Seriously, I did not throw him. Only for joking, I threw him, and even I didn't know that boy does not know how to swim into the water. So after this way, the person says, someone says to him, everything is okay, no need to worry. So let him carry. But carry him to the locker room. Carry him to the locker room. It means carry the boy to the locker room. After then, several hours later, I walked home. I was weak, trembling. I shook and cried when I lay on my bed. I couldn't eat that night, furnished a haunting fear. It means still here. After this way, the writer says that. After many days. After many hours, boy reaches his house, and he feels tiredness. He is very weak. He is trembling. He is trembling, you can say, with fear and such type of thing. And he feels pain in his body, so he cries. He can't lay down on. He can't lay down on the bed. At the side of his stomach. And so throughout the night, so far that night, he does not eat anything, and after that, for days a haunting fear was in my heart. The slightest exertion upset me, making me wobbly in the knees. Wobbly means pain, and sick to my stomach. And after that, writer describes that haunting means पीछा करना, running after anyone. The haunting, it means writer is near about to die, so in his mind there is fear, there is pain, and he can't come out from such type of fear, and fear, you can say. And in this way, and a little try for walking, for going here and there, slightest exertion upset me. When a little try, if he tries to go up and down, he feels pain, and this way especially he feels pain in his knees, and he feels pain in his stomach. And after that, I never went back to the pool. I feared water. I avoided it whenever I could. It means since then he does not like to go to the pool, yeah, water of the pool due to fear, and he avoids and avoids for many times. Whenever he finds, he avoids not going to there. After then, a few years later, when I came to know the waters of the cascades, you can say waters. Whenever we make a water in plural form, like adding s, it becomes river. It becomes river. A few years later, when I came to know the waters of the cascades, I wanted to get into them, and whenever I did, whether I was walking jana, the Titan or bumping river, or bathing in warm lake of the goat rocks, the terror that had seized me in the pool would come back. It means after few years, the writer knows something about the waters of the cascades, and he likes to go there and he likes to swim into the water of the cascades. But whenever he goes to there, he finds that actually his previous fear again comes into his mind, and when such type of fear again comes into his mind, he is unable to enjoy, he is unable to swim into the water of the cascades, and in this way it in this way seized मैंने catch करना in the pool would come back, it would take possession of me completely, my legs would become paralyzed, I see horror would grab my heart, grab means catch again. So he feels again this thing whenever such type of fear again comes in his mind. Actually, his body stops working. It means he can't swim properly into the water of cascades. In this way, he is very unhappy not to take full enjoyment of this session of this swimming. This landscape stayed with me as the years rolled by. Sorry, landscape not this handicapped one, divyang apangata stayed with me as the years rolled by. In canoes, unmanned lakes, fishing for landlocked salmon. This one is salmon. This one is the river of America, and he is accepting that as the such type of handicap, yeah, such type of paralyzed thought. Such type of paralyzed thought comes in his mind, and it stays for many years. And in this way, when he feels such type of fear, he does not like to go to anywhere else. And when he does not like to go to anywhere else, he does not enjoyment. He does not take the enjoyment of fishing. In this way, he has great trouble in his mind. After then, let me roll next. Bass fishing in New Hampshire. Here we find that the fishing types of fishing going many places. New Hampshire and another place, Metolius in Oregon, Massachusetts, fishing for Salem on the Columbia, at Bumping Lake in the Cascade. All these places where he wants to go, but when he goes to there, he finds such type of fear in his mind, and due to these things, due to his fear, trembling, you can say fear, he does not like to fish, he does not like to swim into the waters of all these things. Whenever I went, the haunting fear of water followed me again. When followed, such type of fear follows him wherever he goes. It means his enemy remains in his blood. If you have enemy that is outside from your body, you can see it, so you can fight him, you can fight her easily. But such type of enemy that is inside in your body, that is inside in your blood, you can't fight, you can't do anything, because you can't see this one thing. This one is the one of the greatest enemies, so we need to understand this thing. And everyone has many types of enemies. Suppose that someone has jealous, someone has a crime, and you can say this thing depends on you, which type of enemy you have. But it is you who are unaware about all these enemies. Okay, let me complete this paragraph. So it ruined my fishing trips, deprived me of the joy, canoeing, again fishing, boating and swimming. In this paragraph, in the above paragraph, writer again says what happens when he has such type of fear. He does not like each and every type of fishing. He likes each and every type of fishing, but whenever he goes to there, he finds another fear in his mind. So he does not enjoy all these things. I used every way I knew to overcome this fear, but it held me firmly in its grip. clutch. Finally, one October, I decided to get an instructor and learn to swim. In these lines, we find writer tries each and every type to take out from this type of fear, to overcome this fear. But actually, at the last time, he failed, totally failed. So now he decides, now he comes at this place, so he decide to appoint such type of instructor who instructs him, who can train him to how to swim into the water. So for this thing he appoints, yeah, he gets an instructor. And after that, what happened, let me read. I went to a pool and practiced 5 days a week. An hour each day. The instructor put a belt around me. A rope attached to the belt went through a pulley that ran on an overhead cable. He held on the end of the rope and we went back and forth across the pool, hour after hour, day after day, week after week. In this way, till here, in these lines, we find when he appoints an instructor, he starts instructing him. For this thing, he has to practice for 5 days. He has to practice 5 days a week, and each and every hour, an hour each day. When each, you can say 5 days. It means an hour each day, and each hour he describes which type of methods that are adopted by the instructor to train him. So he says that there is a rope, and by rope he holds by rope he binds. By rope, instructor binds his body, and after then the rope puts on the pulley, and in this way we enter the waters. In this way I enter into the water of river, and this process is going on for many days, for many weeks, hour after hour, day after day, in this way for many days. And in that they cross, and with the help of the rope he goes from one side to another side, into the water of the pool. On each trip across the pool, a beat of the panic seized me. Each time the instructor relaxed his hold. He again describes that whenever he wants to swim from one place to another place, again a beat of panic, the earlier beat of panic again seizes him, again catches him, and in this way, and even then instructor relaxes, instructor loses the rope, beat by beat, and in this way he starts learning how to swim into the water of pool. Some of the old terror, some of the old terror returned and my legs froze. It was 3 months before the tension began to slack. Slack means chutna. In this way, now writer describes that he has taken 3 months. He has taken for 3 months to relax himself from to come out from the old terror, from the previous fear. He takes 3 months. In this way, now he is gaining a little confidence how to swim into the water of pool. Then he taught me to put my face underwater, exhale, and raise my nose and inhale. I repeat this exercise hundreds of times, bit by bit. I said part of the panic that seized me, my head went underwater. In this way, now again this writer describes that after 3 months instructor starts instructing him. Now instructor tells him that when you go inside the water, you need to exhale, and when you comes out on the surface of water, it means you need to put out your head from the water, or you need inhale. In this way, such type of exercise he does for hundreds of times, say 100 times. But even during this time, when writer gets down his head for exhale inside the water, a little panic again seizes him. He describes that. In this way, even then he has a little panic to take the water of the pool. Next, he held me at the side of the pool and had me kick with my legs. For weeks, I did just that. At first, my legs refused to work, but they gradually relaxed, and finally, I could command them. In this way, this one is the next time when he stands at the pool, at the bank of the pool. During that time, instructor kicks him on his legs, for weeks. He finds that his legs do not want to work inside the water. But after that, he finds that now his legs gradually or slowly start working inside the water. It means now he is learning. Now when he commands his legs, when he writer commands his legs to swim inside the water, his legs are following his command. Whose command? It means writer's command. Thus, piece by piece he built a swimmer, and when he had perfected each piece, he put them together into an integrated whole. Integrated whole means ekikrit. You can say collected. Starting time slowly and slowly. It means writer learns a little part. It means writer classifies the technique of the swimming and he learns a little part each day of the swimming. And in this way, when he learns many parts of swimming, now he collects, now he integrates all his knowledge, all his parts. You can say now he collects all his techniques how to swim. And when he collects all the technique how to swim, it is the time of April. He said, now you can swim, dive off and swim the length of pool, crawl stroke. You find there are many type of strokes, there are many types of swimming. First one going ahead, second one coming back, and third one you can say without coming at the surface, you can swim inside the water from one place to another. So he says, now you are perfect expert, you can swim inside the water, but this time you need to crawl. You need to do crawl stroke and go and swim. I did. The instructor was finished, but I was not finished. I still wondered if I would be terror-stricken when I was alone in the pool. I tried it. I swam the length up and down. Tiny vestiges, pagdandi, of the old terror would return, but now I could frown. When eye to eye contact करना मैंने, you can say frown, you can say eyebrow को चढ़ाना. I could frown and say to that गुस्से में आकर गाना terror trying to scare me. Well, yes, to you. Look, and off I would go for another length of the pool. It means in this way the work of the instructor is over. Now he knows properly how to swim. But even then, lest there is a fear in his mind. He thinks that when he is alone and go to pool for a swimming, if he does not find anyone, he is again under the terror-stricken. He is again be terror-stricken, and so he tries. Even then, he having fear such type. Even then, he tries to swim from one side to another side, and he covers all the tiny walk. He covers all the tiny path inside the pool. And one day he becomes very angry. One day he becomes very angry, and now he talks himself. You can say this one is the monologue. Now he talks himself. Now he talks his fear, and he says to his fear that it's you who scare me. It's you who scare me. But look, I put you now I am going to put out you from my mind and I keep you at the bank of the river. And now you look how I can swim from one side to another side inside the pool. After this way, he jumps into the water of pool. This went on until July, but I was still not satisfied. I was not sure that all the terror had left, so went to left. In this way, he dodged for for 3 months, 3 or 4 months, and this one is the time of July. He starts doing such type of thing from April, but this one is time of the July. Even when he's not totally satisfied, even list you can say list. List you can say kahin na kahin a list, yeah, a little fear inside in his mind, so he wants to come out clearly from his terror. For this way he decides to go somewhere else. He decides to go somewhere, he decides to go to anywhere else for swimming in another river, in another waters. And after this went forth in New Hampshire, died of a dog at Creek's Island. These are the name of the places where he goes for swimming. Swam 2 miles across the lake to Stamp Act Island. I swam the crawl, breaststroke, one chati side, chest side stroke, back stroke. Only once did the terror return. And while he's swimming inside, while he's swimming into the water of the rivers of other rivers, he swims each and every type of swimming: crawl, breast, side, and back stroke. But one time he feels that he is again under his previous terror. When I was in the middle of the lake, I put my face under and saw nothing but bottomless water. The old sensation returns in miniature, you can say संक्षिप्त रूप में. I laughed and said, well, Mr. Terror, what do you think you can do to me? It fled and I saw one. Again he feels such type of thing. When he is in the mid of the pool of the river, he finds that when he sees inside the water, he finds that there is bottomless water. So again he is under the previous terror, but this time he laughs at terror and he says to him, Mr. Terror, can you stop me inside the water? I can out of from you. And when he forms, when he determines, when he decides, when he takes resolution, in this way he clears and he swims on continuing in such type of condition. If I had residual doubts, residual माने अवशेष होता. It I had residual doubts at my first opportunity. I hurried west, went up the Titan to Conrad Meadows, up the Conrad Creek. All these names, all these words are written in capital letter. Conrad Creek, trail to Mid Glacier. It means all these are named. And camped in high the meadow by the side of Wormley. It means now he has find opportunity to go to somewhere else. Titan to Conrad Meadows, up Conrad Creek, trail to Meadow Glacier, and all these were. And going there he camps, and going there he camps to swim in the water of Warm Lake. The next morning I died into the lake. So Warm Lake he finds another chance to dive. Diver माने गोताखोर, person who jumps inside the water, and swam across to the other shore, you can say bank kinara, and back, just as Brown Corporal used to do. I shouted with joy, and Gilbert Peak returned the echo. You can say this one is the Gilbert Peak. You can say at the Warm Lake there is a mountain, and from there when he conquers over his fear, when he swims properly inside the treacherous, you can see inside the dangerous or treacherous waters, he thinks that he conquers, he is winner. So he shouts, he applauds, he shouts, and when he shouts, his sound comes back as echo from Gilbert Peak. I had conquered my fear of water. In this way he accepts that he is totally winner. Now he has no fear of water. Whenever he finds anywhere he can go and he swims inside any type of water. And after that, the experience had a deep meaning for me, as only those who have known stark terror and conquered it can appreciate. In death there is peace. In this way, such type of experience, which type of experience writer gets from these things, he accepts that the experience had deep meaning for me, as only those who have known stark terror and conquered it can appreciate. माने and only such type of person can appreciate what can appreciate his work, what writer did inside the water. Because if you have such type of experience, then you can understand the feeling of the writer. If you have no experience, if I tell you, it means you doesn't know about me. So writer accepts that only that person can appreciate his work, and him who has already such type of experience. In death there is peace. In death there is peace. There is terror only in the fear of death. When peace, in death there is peace. Even in such type of condition you can find peace. There is terror only in the fear of death. If you have fear of death, this one is a great terror. Writer accepts that if you have such type of thought, you can't conquer, you can't cross this thing. It means you have fear, and this fear can't let you go to anywhere else. As Roosevelt knew, Roosevelt was the former president of America. So he said one time, he knew properly when he said, it's very important line, you need to remember and learn it. All we have to fear is fear itself. It means whenever we thought that we are loser, we can't do anything, we can't do anything, we have no confidence to do this thing, it means you have fear. And when you think such type of thought, you have fear, and in this way you can't do anything. Even impossible words also says that I am possible. So if you thinking such type of fear, if you thinking only such type of thing, this one is a fear. It means fear is itself a fear. It means fear is itself fear. Bhai Swame bhai, it's so you need not to have such type of fear, because I had experienced both the sensation of dying and the terror that fear of it can produce. It means the writer knows properly, because he comes out from the mouth of death, so he has a great terror. If anyone goes to the mouth of the death, automatically he has a great sense, automatically he has a great terror. So he understands what is the meaning of the fear, and how fear can stop anyone doing for anything. So he understands this one. We need not to have fear, we need not to fear anything. The will to live somehow giving intensity. Intensity, you can say ICU. I think you are listening the words ICU in hospital. ICU. I for intensity. I for intensive center unit. Intensive, this one is the word, and intensity, this one is the noun. It means घनता, किसी चीज का सघन होना. Now the will to live somehow giving intensity. Now he understands properly intensity. Even in such miserable condition, how anyone can survive himself, he understands this thing. So in this way you can say each and everyone have confidence, each and everyone should have a patience for this thing. You need to first of all face such type of condition, then you can find such type of intensity of confidence and fear. At last I felt released, free to walk the trails and climb the peaks and to brush aside fear. In this way, at the last time, he clears all his fear by going to there, by climbing, by trails, by walk, by breathing. By in this way, now he is out of fear. It means starting time he has fear, so he was unable to learn anything. That is very easy. So if you have fear, you need to come out from that fear. For this thing, you need to classify the fear incidents into many parts, and make a technique how you can learn one by one part. And when you can learn all the parts of the such type of fear, you need to integrate, you need to collect all the fear. And when you able to collect all the part of the fear, you can be winner of such type. Okay, I stop here. In this way this chapter is over, and after this way I will teach you a second book Vistas. Okay, I stop here. Thanks.